to Chris Smell FPV. Here we are on an incredibly windy afternoon, but I wanted to do some flying and some riding, as you can see right there behind me. And we are at a school around here that I just found. It's got a little archway thingamabob with a bunch of stuff that I can crash my drone into. So let's get to it, huh? So yeah, let's do the first rip. Let's do a little explore. It's just going to be a little easy cruisy woozy and see what's around here. There's some pretty interesting looking thingamabobs, so haha.
On a summer breeze.
Some music, she be like, hell yeah, too. So I'm laying a beat. Ain't gonna stick her, she gotta check this remake on her trip tomorrow when she ain't below.
On a summer breeze.
Holy Moses. This building's like screaming. I'm gonna take this ND filter off since it's half cocked anyways. Wow. Did you see that? How did I get that off the roof? Oh my God, let me show you the drone. There we go, jeez Louise. Props. All bent to piss. Yeah. I am lucky I got it off the roof of that thing. Do you see the basketball up there? Oh, too good. Well, I think that's gonna be my final pack for the evening, considering how epically terrible that went. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and you know, cut my losses there. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you on the next one.